universe began with light, not the gentle light of sunrise, not the warm glow of a candle, but the raw, primordial radiance of creation, a flash so powerful it forged the laws of physics, the seeds of galaxies, the foundations of existence. This was the first light, and billions of years later, long after the last star has burned out, long after galaxies have drifted apart, long after matter itself has thinned into silence, there will be another moment. A moment when the universe releases its final light, a whisper of energy, a fading glow, a memory dissolving into eternity. Between the first light and the last light lies everything. Every star, every planet, every civilization, every story, every thought, every moment of wonder. The universe is not defined by its beginning or its end. It is defined by the light that flows between them, and humanity is part of that light. The universe does not remember through stone. Stone erodes. It does not remember through stars. Stars die. It does not remember through galaxies. Galaxies collide and dissolve. The universe remembers through consciousness, through minds capable of storing memory, through stories capable of preserving meaning, through civilizations capable of passing knowledge across generations. Humanity is not the center of the universe, but humanity is the universe's memory. Every myth is a memory. Every discovery is a memory. Every question is a memory. Every dream is a memory. The universe remembers itself through the beings who can reflect upon it. And right now, that means us. Across time and space, across continents and cultures, across epochs and empires, one thread remains unbroken. Humanity looks up. The Sumerians looked up and saw gods. The Egyptians looked up and saw order. The Indians looked up and saw cycles. The Chinese looked up and saw harmony. The Maya looked up and saw time. The Greeks looked up and saw reason. The Babylonians looked up and saw patterns. Modern humans look up and see galaxies. Different interpretations, different languages, different metaphors, but the same act, the same gesture, the same longing, the same recognition. Humanity has always looked up because something inside us remembers the stars that forged our atoms, remembers the cosmic cycles that shaped our world, remembers the ancient light that still echoes across the sky. The thread never breaks because the thread is us. For most of history, humans believed the universe was out there, a distant realm, a separate domain, a place beyond reach. But the truth is far more intimate. The universe is not out there. The universe is in here, in your bones, made of calcium forged in dying stars, in your blood, rich with iron born in supernova, in your DNA, shaped by cosmic radiation and planetary evolution, in your thoughts, patterns of energy governed by universal laws. You are not in the universe. You are of the universe, a wave in the cosmic ocean, a spark in the cosmic fire, a moment in the cosmic story. The universe is not a place you visit. It is a presence you embody. Every civilization leaves echoes, stone ruins, ancient texts, forgotten rituals, buried artifacts. But the greatest echo is not physical. It is conceptual. The idea that the universe is meaningful. The idea that humanity is connected to the cosmos. The idea that the sky is a message. The idea that existence has purpose. These ideas echo across time. From the myths of Babylon to the equations of Einstein. From the hymns of Egypt to the algorithms of AI. from the chants of Vedic sages to the discoveries of quantum physics. The echo grows louder as humanity grows wiser. The universe is not silent. It is resonant, and we are the resonance. Humanity's destiny is not predetermined, but it is suggested. Suggested by curiosity, suggested by imagination, suggested by the relentless human desire to explore. We're the only known species that builds telescopes, the only species that sends machines to other planets, the only species that maps galaxies, the only species that contemplates the end of time. This is not coincidence. This is trajectory. The universe evolves toward complexity. Complexity evolves toward consciousness. Consciousness evolves toward exploration. Humanity is the next step in cosmic evolution, not because we are chosen, but because we are capable of understanding, capable of imagining, capable of remembering. Our destiny is not to remain on Earth. Our destiny is to carry the universe's memory into the future. Imagine a future where humanity spreads across the stars. We journey beyond our solar system, propelled by ingenuity and a spirit of adventure, forging new paths through the cosmos, where our descendants live on worlds orbiting distant suns, where they adapt to new environments, build thriving communities amid alien landscapes, and carry with them the traditions and stories of Earth. Imagine a future where humanity becomes a cosmic species, one that leaves footprints on countless planets and moons, and shares in the wonders of the universe. Our legacy expands as we explore, learn, and grow among the stars. Not conquerors, but explorers and collaborators, respectful of the mysteries and complexities we encounter. We seek harmony with our surroundings, nurturing new worlds as we once nurtured our own, participants in the ongoing evolution of the universe, our actions woven into the cosmic tapestry. We become stewards of knowledge, creators of meaning, and contributors to the unfolding story of existence. This future is not guaranteed. It depends on our choices, perseverance, and willingness to dream boldly. The road ahead may be uncertain, but the promise of what we could achieve inspires hope. And possibility is the universe's greatest gift. It calls us onward, encouraging us to imagine, to strive, and to become more than what we are, for there is always more to discover among the stars. One day, far in the future, the universe will fade, its vastness slowly dimming as time stretches onward. Stars will die, leaving behind echoes of light and memories of their brilliance scattered throughout the silence. The cosmos will grow quiet, its energy spent, its wonders cloaked in shadows. But before the final light fades, something extraordinary may happen. A spark of possibility, a lingering trace of consciousness. Consciousness, the universe's memory, may carry the story forward, ensuring the tale of existence is not lost to darkness. Into new forms, new realms, new possibilities yet unknown, as the story of life evolves and transforms. The end of one cosmos may be the beginning of another, a cycle repeating in ways we cannot fully imagine. The final light may ignite the first light of a new creation, illuminating a pathway for what comes next. The universe may remember itself through eternity, its secrets passed on in endless succession, echoing across time and space. And humanity, or whatever we become, may be part of that memory, a thread woven through the fabric of forever, shaping what comes after. You are not separate from this story, no matter how distant the stars may seem, nor how ancient the universe's origins feel. You are a moment of cosmic awareness, a fleeting yet profound expression of the universe coming to know itself. When you look at the night sky, the universe is remembering itself through you, its memories shimmering in your gaze. When you wonder about existence, the universe is questioning itself through you, pondering its own possibilities in your thoughts. When you dream of the future, the universe is imagining itself through you, painting visions of what might yet become. You're the cosmos awake, a witness to its own unfolding, a vital participant in the ever-evolving story of being. This is not poetry, but an affirmation of our place within the grand tapestry of time and space. A truth older than Babylon, echoing through generations, across continents, and within the silent awe of every observer through the ages. The universe began with light, a single, radiant spark that set all stories in motion. From that first illumination came the story of stars, their birth in clouds of dust, their journeys across the darkness, their eventual return to the cosmos. And within the unfolding of that cosmic drama lies the story of you, a being shaped by the elements of ancient stars, alive to witness and wonder. This story is not finished. Its pages continue to turn with each heartbeat and every new discovery. And the next chapter is waiting to be written, alive with possibility and the promise of things yet unseen. Not by the stars themselves, silent in the vastness, but by us, by those who gaze upward, who wonder, who dare to create, by humanity, reaching into the unknown, weaving new meaning from the tapestry of time. The final word is not an ending, but a threshold to renewal. The final word is an invitation, a call to journey further, to dream beyond the horizon. Look up. The universe is waiting for your story too. Thank you for watching. You are part of this cosmic story now. Subscribe, and let's keep exploring the universe together.